Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. You need to begin by tapping on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by clicking on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Split Screen from the list. Lastly, just click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!